All right, we want to go now to our sports director, Derek Forrest. He's been joining us this evening. He is now at Long Bridge Park there in Virginia, just right by the George Washington Bridge. Derek, good evening. What are you seeing? I know earlier we can see your shot, just a massive amount of first responders right there.
Yeah, Chris, still a ton of first responders still over at the airport. Ben Dennis mentioned moments ago that there were helicopters flying above. There's currently a helicopter flying above right now. Excuse me, by the way, with my audio, there's about to be a train that goes by over here at Long Bridge Park, but hopefully you could still hear me. But not too far, obviously, from those first responders. You're going to see air traffic control as well to kind of give you an idea of where I am here at the airport. But there's the train going by, so excuse me again. But yeah, still a host of first responders here at DCA. Again, I am across from the Potomac River in Arlington over at Long Bridge Park. You see the scene there of first responders just doing whatever they can to find those passengers on the flight, and obviously the three crew on the helicopter as well earlier today. But just continuing to monitor this scene over here. It's still pretty quiet. No one's actually been over in this area for about the past hour or so. But again, just continuing to monitor all the first responders here at Long Bridge Park.